My favorite part about summer at UCSB is honestly just the beautiful walk to class. I feel like the weather is just so cheerful and it just like brightens my day every morning when I get to walk to class.
I like the intimacy of like all of the classes, like everything's smaller.
As someone who studies a lot for their classes and I'm taking summer courses, definitely the empty library. It's really nice.
My favorite part is the undergraduate research opportunities during summer. For me, I'm doing undergraduate research through the Center for Science and Engineering Partnerships in bioengineering. So it's really nice to get exposed to research and just have like a nice quiet atmosphere during summer on campus.
I think that the library is pretty empty.
There's definitely a lot more quiet spaces to study.
My favorite part of summer at UCSB is how short the lines are at the Arbor.
During the summer, the UCen is less crowded, so I can get into the Panda Express very quickly, that I would say.
There's are fewer people around, so there's more place to just be nice and quiet and, just look at the blue sky. It's just really nice.
Campus is nice all year round, but in summer it's a little bit quieter. If you're only taking a couple classes, you can go and you can enjoy the nature. Or I recently discovered there's bike trails nearby which are really nice, and those are really nice to go on.
My favorite thing about the summer at UCSB is probably just the weather.
My favorite thing is honestly the weather. It's super sunny.
I would say the time off of work or classes, going to the beach.
Going to the beaches during the summer, I can explore more and do more things. And the beach.